Hello guys, welcome to Tita Bridge YT channel. So today I am going to cook a brown rice. This is an Australian brown rice. Ganito po itsura niya, guys. So I never had an Australian brown rice before. So I'm gonna try and see if it tastes nice, because normally the brown rice I have is from Thailand or Vietnam or maybe India. So this time I want to try Australian brown rice, so we'll see. So I'll just wash this first. Okay, just wash it nicely. Okay guys, so I noticed that hindi siya masyadong like, you know, dirty or like cloudy. So this is actually one cup of brown rice, so I use this cup. So let me see, 1 to 150, because normally brown rice is really hard rice, so I'll just use 1.5. Tansya lang guys. So and the Filipino way, ganon, just have this. That's how we do it. I'll just cook it in, I know, rice cooker. Okay, ready. Is this working? I don't know. This is my landlord's rice cooker, so alrighty. Alright, it works, so we'll see. Alright guys, for today's home cooked meal, so I'll just cook salmon fish while my brown rice is still cooking. I'll just marinate it a little bit, so I'll just use like ingredients from the jar, guys, so I don't have time to do the raw materials, but this one is really nice, so I'll just use the oil. Okay, so I'm not touching the thing so I don't spoil my XO sauce. So this is XO sauce, so I like it. This is my favorite. This is actually really nice, so I'll just have that and spread it out. That's it, and then just spread it out. Okay, so the XO sauce is already spread out, so I'll just leave it for 15 minutes, let it set, or so that the XO sauce can penetrate on the outer surface of the fish. And I'll cook it when my brown rice is cooked. So for now, 15 minutes will do. Fried rice is cooked already, so I'll cook my pan-fried salmon fish. Alright, cooking my pan-fried salmon fish. the reason why I like air frying. Kasi mas maganda yung luto sa air fry kaysa pan fry. Especially if you put cake. So, okie-dokie. So, my brown rice is already cooked. Okay. Let's see. Hindi po yan burnt, guys. Ganyan lang yun because of the extra sauce. So that's the reason why I prefer cooking salmon in an air fryer. And my kimchi there. And okay, let's see if the Australian fried rice, brown rice is a lot better than Thailand brown or Vietnam or India brown rice. Let's see. Okay, so let's see if it's already cooked. I hope it's cooked. Let's see. Cooked na ba siya sa... Okay. It's fully cooked. Sometimes fun fried cooking does not cook the fish evenly, but this time it is cooked inside and still juicy, so it's good. Okay guys, it is really delicious. So masarap guys.